What is good, YouTube, and to my Sneaker World family? As you know, it is your guy again, JUDale12, aka Bubba, and I'm back with another quick review. And guys, tonight I will be giving you guys a quick look at the Jordan Retro 1 Shadows. And before we get started, guys, happy Shadow Day. And before we get started, also, guys, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button. And as always, smash that notification bell for upcoming vids. And let's get into the Jordan release today. And that was the Jordan 1 Shadows. These retailed at $160. And let me get you a look. There's your Nike receipt there. I was able to reserve mine on early reserve on Thursday via Nike Sneakers app. And they blessed me with that early reserve on there. Shout out to Nike for the assist. Thank you guys again. And I was able to get these on Nike as I stated. And this would be my first pair of Shadows. I actually wanted the 2013 pairs. The leather quality on those, everything was dope. I mean, it's just a dope shoe. I like the colorway, and I must say that 2018, I'm gonna give a thumbs up and a shout out to Jordan Brand Nike for the quality on these, because these are very, very, very nice, very buttery. Now, if you're not familiar with the packaging, you have your OG Nike box, OG Retro 1 box. Now the tags here, you'll be seeing a lot of those on the upcoming ones. What they're doing is for the women's sizes also, it shows they're going to put those on the new stickers that you'll see right there. They have your men's and the women's sizes there. But those are going to be on the boxes. I don't know if they're going to do them on all the boxes or just the retro ones, but I guess that's something that I've been seeing, or the rumors are they're going for. I don't know. I have to do more research on that, but I'm going to let you guys get a quick 360 of these. These are your Jordan 1 Shadows. On your, also you have your regular black outsole there. Your lacing will come swirled like this, so you will get the pack of gray laces also with those. You already have your black laced in. There's your toe box, and I know everybody been seeing this all over YouTube, man. They're pushing this toe box, but this is very soft. Got like a pillow feel to it. Very nice. And on your tongue, guys, you know you have the Nike Air in that gray right there. Shout out to the stamp. We love that. There's your insole. You can see that. There's your Nike Air right there, size 10, of course. All right. But there's your Wings logo there. And take a look at that. Oh, this is very soft. When you get your pair, you will feel that. Very, very soft, man. So, and there you have it, guys. That will complete the vid. But this again is your Jordan 1 Shadows. Guys, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. As always, it has been a pleasure to view and to give you guys heat to look at. But this has been JUDale12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.